My name is Greg Fodor. I am the Midwest Client Services Manager and also the trainer for the Midwest for eLead One, your CRM company. If you haven't met me, I do come around to all the stores. I'm sure I'll meet you soon. Today we're going to be going over the mobile application. If you don't have the mobile app on your phone, it's download, it's free, it's compatible for both iPhone as well as Droid. Just go on, type in eLead, E-L-E-A-D, and then mobile, and it'll come right up on your cell phone. Put that on there, and what it does is it's a quick version of what you're looking at on your computer screen, so you don't have to be tied down to your desk anymore. A couple of the great things it'll do for you is it's going to go through and you can look up any customer in there by first name, last name, phone number, or email address. You can also go through and look at your inventory. We're tied in and we update nightly with all the cars you have in stock. We'll pull photos if we have pictures of the cars, the VIN number, the miles, whatever information we have translates right over the phone. So you don't have to be at the dealership anymore. You can be out at lunch, you could be at church, you could be anywhere. Somebody sees the LaFontaine logo, you can actually pull up the inventory and actually pull up the customer if they've been in the store before. On there as well, you can be outside of the store and work all your activities. You could go through and do your phone calls, do your emails, see your appointments, all through the mobile app. What we're going to discuss today is the new mobile driver's license scanner that we have that actually pulls the information right off of the customer's state license right through the barcode on the back. It will also have facial recognition, so you take a picture of the front and then you flip it right over and you go into and get all the information that we have right through the DMV or Secretary of State here in Michigan that you may have. So we can go through and demonstrate that. Where it's going to be beneficial for you is to speed up the process. Do we have the driver's license number? Do we have the customer's full name? It'll all be on there already. All you have to do is supply the vehicle of interest, the trade-in if needed, which we do have the scanner for that, where we can scan the barcode. If you've used the app, you know that. And then also the phone number and email address. We type that right in, takes about 25-30 seconds to put the customer in, and we have all the information already. So we'll go through and demonstrate that, show you how easy it is, and your data acquisition will never be faster. If you've ever been on our mobile app, you've seen this screen. If you haven't, get the eLead One app, go through, it's your same login and password that you log into eLead every day on your computer. Once you log in, here is the screen you'll see. The first thing you want to make sure is that your name of the dealership is at the top. If you have just one dealer, it'll be there. If not, you may have to go through and toggle, Toyota to Honda and so on. A couple of the neat features that we have on here, and I'll go through these quickly, are the fact that we can go through and we can search any customer by going in, typing in a first name, last name, phone number, email address. Your back button is always on the top left. You can go through and search your inventory. If I want to find a certain year on a car, for example 2011, I can go through and see my whole 2011 inventory. As I go back on this, I can also go through and see my activities. If you have activities on your organizer, it's going to show appointments, it's going to show phones, and going to show emails that you have to make. You can go in there and actually make this phone call right through your cellular telephone. One of the most exciting features that I want to talk about here specifically is our mobile driver's license scanner. It takes that scanner that you have in the middle of the showroom out of the picture and puts it at the touch of your hands. All you do is come here to add a lead, come into the new button up top that says scan, take the customer's driver's license and put it down, come over and align the picture, touch the screen. This is taking the picture off the front for facial recognition. Flip the driver's license over and just put it over the barcode. It grabs that fast. Now this will take any of the information from the Secretary of State, first name, middle name, last name, driver's license number, street address that they have on file, as well as birth date, and put it right into the system. How we proceed is we put in an email address and telephone number. You do that just by clicking on any of the icons and putting those right in. Go up to the top and hit save. When we're done with this, we hit the opportunities button. We come over and we have to select a source. Were they a showroom up? Were they a campaign, internet, phone, or be-back? In this case, they were a showroom up. And how did they hear about us? We will say that Bing is the source. We can come down now and we can enter the vehicle of interest and also the trade information. We have scanners for both. All you have to do is click on either one, and we can either scan the barcode on the B pillar of the car or the QR code for GM vehicles. Just by clicking on that, you'll see a line come up and you can scan the VIN by going in. For trades, you will have to add the miles. When we're done with this, simply come up, hit save. This will tell you if we've ever had the customer in the system. As we see, we have a 100% match on this customer. If we're under 65%, we can add the customer by knowing he's never been in the showroom, called on the phone, or send an internet lead. In this case, we know the customer has been here before. We don't want to add a secondary number. So we can click on the customer's information and go in and see everything about this customer. We can hit the opportunities page, see what vehicle they were on, when they were added. If the customer is under 65%, as I mentioned, we can go in, hit the save button, and add the customer's information that quickly. Hopefully this has given you new excitement for elead technology along with the mobile app. You can call me directly. Again, my name is Greg, last name is Fodor. I train everything through elead. I've used it in your capacity through sales, through management. You can call me directly at area code 229-630-0078. That's 229-630-0078.